Jamaicans are being warned against overindulging in alcohol during the festive season. Shamela Pullen tells us more in the Health Report.
Alcohol consumption is a big part of celebrating the holidays in Jamaica. According to the Ministry of Health, at least 41% of the population consumes alcohol. The numbers tend to go up during the holiday period, but the ministry has no data on consumption for the Yuletide season. But with COVID-19, not many parties or social gatherings will take place this year. However, family physician Dr. Orville Nemard cautions that while these events are prohibited, there will be those staying at home and consuming more alcohol as a result of stress and anxiety from COVID-19. Dr. Nemard says having alcohol in smaller amounts is okay, but too much alcohol can be bad for you.
One of the first signs is that the speech now becomes slurred. And going forward, if you continue to drink, then what happens is it tends to now act as a depressant. So it slows you down. The thought processes really become slower. And ultimately, it becomes a depressant so much so that you can fall asleep from too much alcohol consumption. And in serious amounts of excess, sudden increases in alcohol consumption like that can be fatal.
Alcohol in large amounts can also increase your risk of cardiovascular disease, diabetes, cancer, and chronic kidney disease. Dr. Nemard also explained that women are prone to get intoxicated faster than men.
The effects of alcohol are such that it dissolves in water. So the volume of water in your body is what will determine what the concentration is. So most women are a little smaller than men. And so the volume of water that it has to dissolve in is smaller.
Consuming alcohol in moderation is key. Women are advised to have 1 drink per day, and men 2 is acceptable.
If you're drinking, don't drive. Pay attention to what you're having, how much you drink, how fast you drink it, whether or not you have food in the stomach. All of these impact on how quickly the body absorbs it and how much you manifest the mind-altering effects of alcohol.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.